Welcome back to Homestead Albania, Baba Ghanoush. We've had an excellent eggplant production season and have made several dishes, but today we are switching it up. Preheat the oven to 270 Celsius or broil setting. We washed, sliced the tops off, and cut them in half. Placed them in a large pan with a bit of oil. Bake for 15 minutes. Picked a handful of parsley and a bulb of garlic. Washed the parsley and set aside to dry. Next, peeled garlic and made foil pack with some olive oil. After 15 minutes, it's time to flip the eggplants. We're going for a nice, crisp, darkened skin. Place the foil pack of garlic in the pan and baked the eggplants for another 15 minutes. Prep the next ingredients. Squeeze 1 lemon and set aside. Grab your tahini and scoop out a few heaping tablespoons into the food processor. Add half the lemon juice. Add a few splashes of olive oil and pulse the mixture until it is just combined. Remove the pan from the oven and leave it to rest until cooled to touch. Grab a mesh strainer and bowl. Peel and discard the eggplant skins. Press the eggplants against the mesh strainer. This will reduce excess oil and water. Once strained, place in the eggplants in the food processor with the roasted garlic. Add additional lemon juice, salt, and oil to taste. Pulse until creamy. Place in a bowl or container in the fridge until cooled completely. Garnish with chopped parsley, paprika, cumin, or olive oil. It's a great appetizer or snack with a bit of pita bread or chip. Thanks for watching Homestead Albania. Visit homesteadalbania.com for more homestead-related content.